I'm doing a giveaway for this Crochet Workshop magazine, and it's priced at $9.99. And to participate in this giveaway, post a comment down below this video, something crochet related, and be a subscriber. Also, I have all my links for my promotions listed down below. This promotion is not affiliated with YouTube, and it's sponsored by me. And I have some mugs and a bag in my Etsy store, but I also have 2 books for sale on Amazon, paperback and Kindle. Those are listed down below. So make sure you're a subscriber to participate. And I have a crochet page and group if you'd like to join that. And all my links are right down this video, below this video. So this is the Crochet Workshop magazine. And in the back are all of the patterns. And they list them right here, if you can see them all here. So 6 looks like an Afghan, 11 is a hat, 16 are some gloves or fingerless gloves, and 20 an Afghan, 24 it looks like a cowl, 31 a pillow, 37 a shirt, sweater, 42 a poncho sweater it looks like, and 47 a shawl, 49 a shawl, another shawl, another shawl. That's really pretty. I really like the 49. Pillow, Afghan, the rug, a planter, it looks like a scarf shawl, a blank or Afghan, and another shawl. So you can tell me which one is your favorite, and I'll be giving this magazine out in a couple of weeks. Just comment down below. Make sure you're a subscriber. 49 I'd say is my favorite. So comment down below and tell me which one is your favorite. And just comment down below something crochet related, and you will be able to be eligible to participate in this giveaway. Okay? So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.